this video, I will show you how to buy crypto on Coinbase Wallet. So first of all, you need to open up your Coinbase Wallet. And let's say we want to buy Solana in here. So we're going to click on Solana, and you can do this with any other crypto. The flow is just the same. You're going to select a crypto asset, and then you will see the network where it's on, and that's Solana. And then you will see this option in here to buy. So let's go ahead and click on buy. And now we can enter an amount that we want to purchase of this crypto. And we can select the network that we want to buy it on. And then you can select a payment method. So by default, it is using my Coinbase, and that is because my account is linked. And if your account is not linked yet with Coinbase and you want to, then go ahead and watch my other video on where I show you how to do that. But anyway, you can just go ahead and click on this, and now you can select the available payment methods for this transaction. So you have the debit card, you have the fiat balance, you have Apple Pay, and you have credit card. So when you have linked your Coinbase account, you will have these two options, the debit card and the fiat balance, and otherwise you will always have Apple Pay or Google Pay, depending on your device, or credit card. So I'm just going to show you how this works with Apple Pay. So I'm going to select Apple Pay in here, and now we can just click on continue to payment, and you can also change which crypto you want to purchase in the screen. So go ahead and select the crypto you want to purchase. And then after you have selected your payment method, go ahead and click on continue to payment in here. And now you see that you will be redirected, in my case, to Stripe, but this is depending on your region. So now you just need to go ahead and click on continue, and then you will open a browser where you need to fill in some details and then go through the process of filling in your payment details. Once you have done that, you need to click on confirm, and then you will have your crypto purchase being final, and then they will be in your account anytime soon. So this is how you do it. I hope this helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.